invitation to witness the 12th government of Palau being sworn in, and the inauguration of the president re-elected into office, His Excellency President Sarangor Whips Jr. And so I intend to stop over, and I'll return at the very earliest, if not on Thursday evening, then early Friday morning. I want to say the Pacific Island group nations are important nation to Papua New Guinea's strategic outlook going forward. Minister Wong is accompanying me on this trip on the basis that we've initiated the Kokopo agreement, fisheries agreement, where all the Pacific Island leaders have subscribed to it. That includes especially the Micronesian, Western Pacific waters, substantial tuna resource and marine resources. They are small island nations by land size and population, but they're substantial as far as marine resources are concerned. Our strategic intent is to offer them a space in our country as we expand and develop our downstream processing zones for fisheries, especially in the first instance, the Pacific Maritime Industrial Zone in Marape. So we've been working this line to partner all our Pacific Island nations, especially the Micronesian nations who have little land to set up downstream processing for themselves. Papua New Guinea has land, Papua New Guinea has human capital, and we could offer a zone each for these Pacific Island nations, especially Micronesian nations, nations like Palau, nations like Kiribati, nations like Federal State of Micronesia, to name a few. So it is in this line of sight that we